guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am at my school and we are gonna be shooting some hoops tonight. I did notice I'm on the basketball court. Let me show you it. These are all my basketball. I have another court over there, really cool. And today I'm gonna be playing horse. If you guys don't know what horse is, that's what you try to shoot every shot and try to not miss one. If you do miss a shot, they're gonna you get a word from horse. Like if you miss your first basket, you get an H. If you miss your second one, you get an O. Lotta. But I'm gonna try to shoot it one-handed, guys. Let's see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna from the free throw line to up there. Oh my gosh! Oh, I missed it. That's an H. Okay, I'm gonna try this one on the next basketball court. I'm gonna try to set the camera up somewhere so I don't have to holding it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I got an H. If I miss this one, I get an O. So I'm gonna shoot it from the 3-point line. Ugh. Oh, damn. So I have an O now, so I have hole. I got hole. So if I spell out horse, I lose. I haven't even made a single basket. It's starting to rain. I put the camera somewhere so it doesn't get wet. So I have H-O-R, whore. I'm a whore. So I need an S and an E and I lose already. I'm gonna shoot it from right here. No! So how do you spell horse? H-O-R, so I have S now. H-O-R-S. So I'm a horse without an E. One more time. So I made that one, so it still is horse without an E. So if I miss a single basket, I lose. Yes! So now I made another one. If I miss one more, I get an E, and it's game over. I made 2 baskets. That's spelled out horse. Oh! It is really windy here in New Mexico. The wind affected that shot. I'm the video right here. Let me take one more shot. No, I missed. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching and bye bye.